This is project 5 in my AI data assignment, and it's basically exploratory data analysis, which we got I got the data from the data set I selected for the project. So we were using notebooks from this data set to analyze the data, to clean the data, to develop and draw the heat maps and everything else. So this is the training data represented numerically. This is just basically the training data in rows and columns with the labels and the different multiple pixels. Yeah, there are 5 rows and then 785 columns. Then this is the numeric representation of still the same data, but this is the test data. So it's just a numeric representation of the test data. And then I created my y-axis for the training data. Then I created the x-axis for the training data as well. So the y-axis is basically the count, and the x-axis is the label. So then I also have my x and y axis for the testing data. Then I converted the ranges of this numeric data that was from 0 to 255 to just zeros and ones. I did that for both the training and the testing data. So I trusted them, I tested them and trained the data accordingly. And then this is a histogram that's representing the training data. The labels in the training data, the different colors represent the labels. That's on the x-axis. Then the y-axis is just the count. Yeah, then I have the same thing for my testing data, which is the label is still the x-axis, and then the y-axis is the count. So these are just histograms that are summarizing the data. So this here I created a 5x5 grid for the first 25 images of the numeric data that we saw in the first slide. So these are only 25 images. There are a few numbers and a few letters as well. And these are the images I've used for training. Then this is the testing set. This is the testing set still with 25 images. Some are letters and some are numbers. Then this is split test size 0.3. The test size of 0.3 around here shows that this is the amount of data in the data set that I used for testing. So I used 30% of the data for testing. I split the data, all the data in the data set, and used 30% for testing. Then the rest of it is what I trained the model with. Then, yes, so the remaining 70% is the training data. Then these are the different shapes summarizing. This is summarizing the different columns and rows that are in the above data. And then the next part here was creating a convoluted neural network, the CNN network, which I trained and tested. I compiled the model using all this data. Then I'm compiling the model, the loss, the optimizer. Then here I'm just training the model, the history, the X and the Y train. This is all the output for training the data. Then these are graphs of the training results. They show the loss and the val loss of both the training and the testing data. Yes, we plotted. These are plots after training the model and it has learned. We train it here using we train the model, then we test it using our testing set. So then we compare these different sets to get the accuracy of the model, which is what is shown in this output, how accurate the model is. So according to this, it's 0.99% accurate, which is basically 99% accurate. So my model is 99% accurate. And that's it. Thank you.